What's up, everybody? It's your boy Scripted Legend bringing you guys another YouTube video. I have been sick for the last couple of days, and I still am sick, but we're going to make this video nonetheless, so y'all can be informed on the latest not ever, GFAL related. All right. So, if for those who are not familiar, GFAL is one of those tokens that is a low market cap gaming altcoin that has a play to earn game beta out. It is not actually play to earn yet, technically, but the whole purpose of it is to be a play to earn game in the near future with NFTs integrated in there and so on and so forth. It has a great team around it, and that is we're actually about to talk about an announcement for their play to earn game. So hello Raiders. We hope you're enjoying your journey in Runeria. Your support and enthusiasm means the world to us. For some time now, our team has deeply focused on two upcoming major updates, both of which are still in the works and are expected to be ready in the coming months. First is the arena progression system, which is being refined to make the late game more rewarding and dynamic, focusing on our most experienced players. This will make the game even more exciting and keep you coming back for more. So really trying to keep the current audience they have here and present and actually giving them a reward. And the next thing that they have to talk about, or the second thing they will be announcing, is that they're finishing up the transition of what is currently known as skins into something greater, which will turn cosmic variations into characters with unique ability modifications. So now there's actually some more and more. There's a greater purpose behind the skins or the appearances of your characters, or what is currently known as skins. And these changes aim to introduce different new ways to play and deepen the strategic aspect of the game, alongside with some new features that they're excited about. They're excited about for the next launch. Our first collectibles. This will not only add a fresh layer to the game, but also lay the foundation for what we envision for Elemental Raiders to become. We're also, or Elemental Raiders or the team, is also working really hard to improve the game's performance, of course, especially on mobile devices, because that is something that is coming out in the near future. We're dedicated to making Elemental Raiders run smoothly for everybody and pushing ourselves to get everything super ready and polished for a global release. With that being stated, we can't wait for you to experience what's coming. Oh, and we're listening to your feedback all the time. So keep it coming. Thank you for being part of our amazing community from the Elemental Raiders team themselves. So great, great, great things to hear. And the report hasn't gotten too much attention, but be sure to pay attention to elemental raiders, especially if you're a player, because some of these things, like the skins, are important to you, and arena progression will be important to you, and making sure that you stay at the top of the leaderboards or you go to the top of the leaderboards. So that is Elemental Raiders' update. We also had Manel Sort, a member of the team, stated that he had a great chat with Unity Shader expert today, or with a Unity Shader expert today. Sorry about that. They were pretty impressed with Diamond Dreams game visuals, and honestly, so was he. Of course, he should be. I would hope so. If Unity Shader expert is, hopefully you are, but there has been scenarios where the actual CEO is not happy with it, while other people are happy with it, and he prolongs the the advances or the work. But we're currently working really hard on Elemental Raiders Diamond Dreams and a new exciting game we can't wait to tell you about. We're really trying to push the boundaries here. Big thanks for all your support. It's going to be a big year for us, and we can't wait to show you what we've been working on. So, two announcements. We got a third. So Soccer Legends is on Google Play. For those who did not know, it is on Google Play. And you guys can try it out for yourselves. Just know it's not 100% finished product and it's not fully launched yet. But the announcement that they made was basically saying that there was a slight detour and perfection is their number one priority, and they want to ensure they're delivering nothing but the best. So while the anticipation builds up a little longer, why not speculate on what's to come? So that was tweeted out 3 hours ago, and I want to see if anybody did actually say what they think is possibly coming. And no reactions yet. Maybe I'll be the first to say something. But that is this is an idea of how the chat looks like and an idea of the game itself looks like. But yeah, man, as like this person said, as of now, our main objectives are mobile devices, but we may port it once the game gets a full release. So and that was in response to someone saying any opportunity to play with the Mac. But yeah. But yeah. Everything else, I was about to read what this person, with the Mando, I believe a member of the team. I believe he's a member of the team. Yeah, a Runaria Sentinel. All right, you know what, guys? I'm too sick to even process everything, or not even process everything, just to really elaborate. So we're gonna end it here. I appreciate you guys clicking on this video and showing your support. May you guys have a blessed one and stay safe. Scripted Legend signing out. Peace.